Are you ready for Ramadan?
Of course I'm ready for Ramadan. Now where's that Ruh Hafsa?
No, I meant spiritually. This Ramadan, focus on feeding your soul and not just your body. Ramadan only comes around once a year and it's about more than just feasting and eating. We need to make sure we take this golden opportunity to do as many good deeds as possible. And here at GLM, we are here to help. This year, we have numerous events and programs that inshallah will help you immerse yourself in worship, increase your good deeds, and as a result, aiding you attaining taqwa, because that's what fasting in Ramadan is all about. Join us every night for iftar and every evening for tarawih, led by Sheikh Dr. Ahsan Hanif, Qari Zaka'ullah Salim, Ustad Hamza Qasim, and Ustad Ismail Na'im.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim.
Maliki Yawmiddin.
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een.
Sheikh Dr. Ahsan Hanif will also be continuing the reading and commentary of Tafsir al-Sa'di, where we hope to complete the tafsir of the whole Quran. Other programs also include the Quran recital, dua memorization, a video series on Tawheed, and much more. We will also be providing opportunities for everyone to give in charity, whether it is to pay your fidya, zakah, or just general sadaqah, which is highly recommended during the month of Ramadan. We are always ready to fulfill the amana. For more information, please make sure to download the Green and Masjid app and follow us on social media. We pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants us all a beneficial Ramadan, and we hope to see you at the Masjid very soon. Until then, from us at Green and Masjid, Ramadan Mubarak.